big update coming in the Pune car crash case. The witness who nabbed the teen speaks to India today in an exclusive conversation. Listen to what's transpired that night, a chilling account of the Pune killer crash. In fact, an eyewitness who managed to spot the teenager driving the Porsche car right after the crash was the one who pulled him out of the vehicle. He speaks to India today in this exclusive conversation. I'm going to cut across to Divyesh. Listen in.
संकेत जी, उस रात आप वहीं थे, आपने अपने सामने एक्सीडेंट होते हुए देखा, क्या हुआ था एग्जैक्टली उस रात को?
पोर्शे जो कार है वो उसकी लिमिट कुछ नहीं थी, जो स्पीड लिमिट थी उसकी कुछ भी नहीं थी, मतलब बहुत हाई स्पीड थी। तो उसने इतने जोर से टक्कर मारा कि वो एक्सीडेंट देखने को नहीं मिला, सिर्फ आवाज से सुनाई दी कि बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो गया। तो हमने उधर गए, बरोबर देख लिया कि लेडीज जगह पे डेथ हुआ था और वो जो लड़का है वो स्विफ्ट के यहाँ पे गिरा हुआ था, तो उसके भी आंखें बाहर आई थी और आगे भी एक जुपिटर वाले को उड़ा दिया था, उसका भी पैर वगैरह को लगा था। तो आगे जाके देखा तो पोर्शे कार के पूरे एयरबैग्स वगैरह खुल गए थे, वो भी कुछ जो उसमें का और जो 2-3 बंदे थे वो उसमें नहीं थे। फिर वो कार के आगे था, तभी हमने मतलब मैं और मेरे जो 6-7 जन जो दोस्त थे हमारे, उन्होंने उसको पकड़ के लाया। तो जो पब्लिक था उन्होंने उसको ऑन द स्पॉट मारना चालू किया, मतलब मैक्स एक पब्लिक बहुत ज्यादा था, सब जन मार रहे थे उसको। तो मैंने पकड़ के रखा था, पुलिस वालों के हाथ में दे दिया।
Across to Divyesh joining us, who he's spoken to, the eyewitness. Divyesh, Deepesh, please go on about what exactly the witness has said in the case. He says he spotted the teenager driving the car in quite a rash manner. Has he testified before the police as well?
Nabila, we exclusively spoke to the eyewitness and the first person who caught the minor accused and handed over to the police. He was there on the spot, a few meters away from the spot at the time of accident with his friends at that night. When he saw that accident, he saw how that car dashed the bike and this two died on the spot. So later on, he along with his friends went to the spot. He caught that minor accused and handed over to the police. But before handing over to the police, the crowd who was there, they were in aggression and they started beating up that minor accused. After that, police interfered and police took that accused to the police station. What we came to know from that eyewitness that the minor accused was only driving his car because the friends who were there with him, they only said that we are not driving, he is driving the car and we are just standing here, please don't beat us. And the second most important thing, that he was in the influence of some alcohol or might be something other substances that we don't know, but the eyewitness claimed that he might be in the influence because the hundreds of people were present over there and they were beating him, but he was not feeling anything. He was not in his senses. So that is the most important questions which raises by the eyewitness, and we have to see that what authorities have to answer regarding these questions. Nabila.
You know, what's shocking, Deepesh, is that the two police officers, the constables who arrived soon as the car crashed, they did not inform the control room immediately. So they're suspended as well for lapses in the case. But what more did the eyewitness say in terms of the police arriving in time, how the investigation was handled by the cops, who else was there? Was there anybody from the family who arrived immediately right after the crash? Anything more he said on that front?
Nabila, exactly. This is the most important thing. The police was there on a patrolling when this accident took place, and they reached on the spot within 1 and 2 minutes. But in spite of reaching the spot, they took that minor accused and his friends to the police station, but they have not asked the eyewitnesses to come to the police station and record the statement or to complain anything. So this is the most shocking thing, because what the general procedure is that if such incident took place, then police first try to take the eyewitness details and try to contact them and try to record their statement. But here this thing has not happened. Even the police who was there, they have not informed the control room as well. They have directly taken that minor accused and his friends to the police station, and the rest we all know what happened in there. Nabila.
All right, Dipesh, stay with us. Of course, this is a can of worms that's open now in the Pune minor killers crash case that's led to death of two victims, Ashwini Costa and Anish Avadia.